Hello everyone, this is regularlifehack.com, and on this channel you will be tutored on everything that pertains to life. Today I will be talking about 52 ways to make money online. Please be rest assured that making money stupendously is a possibility online if you are ready to learn, to concentrate, and to work. You can make money. Now, in this particular teaching, I will be handling 52 ways, and I just believe that we have enough time to be able to do justice to those 52 ways, though I will be presenting them in a summarized way, so that as time goes on, we begin to take each and every one of those ways one after the other. Number one is freelancing. Now, to freelance means to work for another person without a definite contract. A freelancer is a self-employed person who offers services to clients on periodical or regular basis. Now, such clients can be individuals or corporate organizations or companies. You see, freelancing online is a very attractive way of making money. Actually, it's one of the easiest way of making money. But I will tell you maybe later the disadvantage of freelancing system of making money. However, the major advantage of online freelancing is that irrespective of your geographical location, you can make money. There are numerous websites, or let's call them platforms, that allow you to offer your service. We call them freelancing sites. Freelancing sites like freelancer.com, TaskRabbit, Mechanical Turk, Upwork, Fiverr.com, etc. You see, there is literally no service that you cannot offer on most freelancing.com. If you want to sing, you will see people there who will hire you to sing. If you want to write, you will see people there who will hire you to write. If you want to anything, almost anything, you can make money by freelancing, whether you have a particular skill, whether you have special skill or not. In fact, there are people that will go to freelancing site. They want to open maybe 100 email accounts, and they need it maybe for some particular thing, and they don't have the patience to go and start opening the account. They want to outsource it. They want to come to a freelancing site and give it to people who are willing to work. It may be for just $10, it may be for just $20 or $50, but freelancing is a very easy way of making money. My first, is that correct? Yes, my first dollar online was through a freelancing site that is called Fiverr.com. That was where I made my first dollar, and my last count I've made about $6,000 $6,000 plus on Fiverr.com. Now, thank God that wherever you are, you can work on Fiverr, you can work on freelancer.com, you can work on Upwork, and it's a very interesting way of making money. The other side of freelancing way of making money is that if you are sick, if you are not able to stay online, if you are occupied elsewhere, your freelancing business goes down. That is the disadvantage of making money. Online using freelancing method. It's been found out that about 59 million, as at 2020, 59 million Americans were freelancing. and I'm sure that by the end of 2021, it will definitely be more than that, either 65 or 60 million Americans that are making money by freelance. This was a research conducted by Upwork.com. As I told you, it's a very, very easy way of making money online. I'm going to put a link below this video so that in case you want to register in Fiverr.com and see what you can do, or in case you want to register in Freelancer.com, you go ahead, click on that link and go ahead and register. However, I will still be producing videos that will specialize on how you can begin to make money specifically using some special freelancing sites. Number 2, you can make money online also by blogging. Blogging simply means writing online. A blog is an informational platform that is regularly updated. A blog is a website. I mean, all blogs are websites, but not all websites are blogs. Now, the difference between a website and a blog site, so to say, is that website is static. I mean, this is a company. Let's say PZ.com, or I mean, let's just say PZ or something. This is a company. They have a website where they tell you what they do. They tell you their contact. They tell you and highlight their products and services. That's a website. But a blog is most of the time being regularly updated. A blog is not a blog if it's static. The reason it's like an online journal. You can write, and when we're talking about making money through blogging, you see, the first thing is that you provide information. Now, such information can be educative, it can be a form of entertainment, on any topic. You can write on any topic, and as time goes on, you monetize the traffic that you are drawing to your blog. It's like an online magazine, or let's call it online newspaper. As at 2020, the end of 2020, there are over 600 million blogs in the world, with about 6.7 million people regularly publishing blog posts. Oh, you want to say that? Doesn't that mean that blogging as a way of making money is already saturated? No, 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 no. Far from that. Far from that. Far from that. There are still ways, there are still things that people search on Google that have never been searched before. You can look for a way and blog about such things that have never been blogged about or written about before. Now, the twist we now have when it comes to blogging is that a lot of people have turned their social media platform to blogs. The disadvantage of that is that it may not be easily monetized. But thank God for Facebook, they are already monetizing people, especially when you provide unique content. They are already monetizing people who use their profile or their pages for blogging. Hallelujah. Now, why are blogs very important? Why are blogs very important? 81% of online consumers trust information found on blogs. And in fact, about 61% of US online consumers have made a purchase based on blog recommendation. That means people are ready to believe your recommendation. That's why the major way for making money through blogging is by recommending products. They call it affiliate sales. I will still talk about that. Or by adverts that are placed either by Google or by Yahoo or by any other ad agency. They place adverts on your blog. When people come to look at the information, they, by the way, see the advert. Some of them will click on it, and then they will be making money for the advertiser, and the advertiser will begin to share the their reward or their income with you. What does it take to make money by blogging? You research, you rewrite, and you monetize. As simple as A, B, and C. Though much more than that, but that's subject of many other videos that you'll be encountering on this channel. Again, you research, you rewrite, and you monetize. The third way of making money online that I will be teaching is YouTube marketing. Oh, this is the in thing for now because it has advantages over many other ways of making money. Now, for example, if you compare YouTube marketing to freelancing, you'll find out that when you stop freelancing, you stop making money. But when it comes to YouTube marketing and you are creating content for YouTube consumption, now, even if you are not around, even if you stop making video, you can still continue to make money. Even if you are, ill-disposed for some days, you can still continue to make money. Now, YouTube marketing basically involves creating useful and attractive content that people are looking for. And as you attract viewers, you will be able to get money either through the YouTube Partner Program, where they will advertise in your video and give you money, or through affiliate sales of whatsoever you want to recommend, or by direct sales of your own digital product. Now, the problem people have here on YouTube is how to drive their new YouTube channel to 4,000 watch hours and first 1,000 subscribers, because that's the condition YouTube has laid down before they can start paying you. You must have gotten to 4,000 watch hours within the last 365 days, within 1 year, and 1,000 subscribers. Now, there are two ways to get to this and fulfill this condition. Now, I'm going to tell you straight away. I'm not yet teaching YouTube marketing, but I know there are some people who will find this very, very useful. Number one, if you want to make money on YouTube through YouTube marketing, now the first is that forget subscribers, forget watch time hours, just produce your content, give genuine information, especially about what people are searching for. You have to know what people are searching for, what they are looking for, and over time, maybe 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, you will get there, get to your 1,000 subscribers, and start making money after getting also about 4,000 watch hours. You want to say, you mean I'm going to wait for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? Yeah, there's nothing bad in that. You know the reason why? It's only online that we want to make money overnight. When you are going to school, you go to school, to university for about 4 years, 5 years. You don't talk about making money with your certificate within those 4 years. You definitely go through school, and after you finish, you start on your effort, either making money by yourself or looking for a job. Therefore, a lot of works online are also like that. However, there is the second one. The second one is like a shortcut. Now, this one involves that you build followers outside YouTube. You build followers outside YouTube viewers, and then people that believe in you and trust your leadership, and then you bring them to YouTube and they watch you. They give you the 4,000 hours, and they give you the 1,000 subscribers. Now, this channel that you are watching, if you look very well, you'll find out that I'm already monetized, and I was monetized within 40 days of starting the channel. You know the reason why? I already have my followers outside. All what I just need to do is to tell them and say, beloved, all of you, I want you to follow me to this channel. Go and watch my video there. Go and subscribe. And then within 40 days, between 30 and 40 days, I reached the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscriber level. Look, now, if you believe you need assistance, I can help you to do yours too. Yeah, I can help you start from 0 subscriber, 0 view, and help you to build your YouTube channel. In fact, help you to apply for monetization and get you there. However, it's not going to be free. I will help you. You contact me on email and I will tell you your price. It's going to be between $300 and $500. It's not going to be free, but you will get there within 1 or 2 months, and I will give to you your brand monetized channel. You understand? Now you can say, sir, how much do you think I can pay? Now, it depends on your niche. It depends on what you are producing. You say, okay, but how much money am I going to be making after I have my monetized YouTube channel? It depends on what you are producing. Now, it depends on what you are producing. I won't say more than that. Now, there are some content that have more money than others, and then it depends on the frequency of your production too, and how you are now able to make sure that what you are producing is what people online are searching for. Now let's go to one more time. If you want to contact me so that I can help you to get your YouTube channel, whether the one you have now or your brand new 0 views, 0 subscriber, you want me to help you monetize, take it from 0 to 1,000 subscriber, take it from 0 view to 4,000 hours, contact my email. Contact me through my email, and it's down there in the comment section. Now let's go ahead to number 4, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting the products or services of another person or company in exchange for commission on the resulting sale. I'm sure you are with me. Now, you are an affiliate marketer. If you are selling what you do not produce, you go to their website, pick 1 or 2 products, start promoting them wherever you have the opportunity, and once a sale is made, they know how to trace you and they give you your own commission. Some commissions are so heavy. I mean, you are not the owner of the product, you're collecting 75% of the sale. It's so sweet, but it involves a lot of hard work. But more than that, it's very simple, very straightforward. The only the only disadvantage of affiliate marketing is that nothing is too sure in affiliate marketing. You can set a goal, it all depends, because you cannot control your buyers, you cannot control your traffic, whether they will buy or whether they will not buy. It's as simple as that, but it's the easiest to start. And if luck smiles on you, you'll be able to make first few sales very early, and then you'll be encouraged, because sometimes when you make money early, you are encouraged and you know that this thing has a future. But I want to tell you that all that I'm teaching you are actually all that I am practicing. I'm not saying that I'm practicing all the 52 ways. No, far from that. But the first 3 I've taught you now, I am actively involved. I'm actively involved in freelancing. I have multiple channels on YouTube, and I am also into blogging, affiliate marketing a little, not much, but you see, sometimes you'll be forced to do the affiliate marketing when you see the money and you know you can tell 2 or 3 people. But I am not majoring on affiliate marketing. Number 5, article writing. This, you see, is a very, very important skill. Apart from the fact that it makes money on its own, it's a skill you need to make money online. You can sell those articles. You can use your skill that you have in article writing to become content writers. You understand? Become content writer and begin to write all around. You see, article writing skill is the basis of all content related work online, and I will be teaching this article writing very soon. I mean, even if you don't know how to write, you can begin to write articles. Now, I will enjoy you if you are here, you are still listening to me. I will enjoy you to please tell me in the comment section which of these ways you want me to teach first on this channel, and I will go ahead and begin the series of lectures on them. Number 6, we are talking about the 6th way of making money online. This is what I call PLR, Smart Business. Now, PLR simply means private label right. Now, PLR materials are books, articles, videos, digital products that when you secure them, you have all the rights to rebrand, to manipulate, to re-give, to resell them. You can rebrand them, you can rewrite them, you can you can manipulate them, you can turn them into many things. For those who are smart, PLR, Smart Business, is a whole world of cash. There are people that is their source of money for living. That's the source of money for living. PLR. You make one-time investment, buy the PLR product very cheap, and then rebrand, manipulate, resell, and so on, and turn them to cash. I will explain later when I start teaching specifically on each and every one of these ways of making money. Number 7, web development. Now, here is a highly lucrative online opportunity. It's been existing for long. It's not going to go out of existence very soon. In as much as there is still internet, there will be people who will be making money through web building, web development, web maintenance, and so on and so forth. You see, what it involves is simply building website for customers. Now, there are 2 levels to this. You can build a site where that does not require any skill. You just use what you see is what you get method format to build the site. I am not skillful in programming, but I've made some cool cash using developing website for people. I have charged people $160. I've charged some $400. I've even charged $2,000 to build the website. I mean that website was actually a little bit complicated. What I just did is to outsource it. I'm going to later explain what is called outsourcing. Okay, let me explain it straight away. Outsourcing simply means that you take a job and give it to the skillful people to do the job, and then you cut your profit. You are good in marketing, you have the contact with the customer, and then you are taking the job, you've laid down your charge, and then you give it to those people who have the skill. It's just like having a contract to build a house. You don't have to be the bricklayer, you don't have to be the one doing the carpentry business. All you just need to do is to charge and say, this is how much dollars I'm taking for building your house. And then you take the money and then start giving it out to those who will lay the blocks, to those who will draw the plan, to those who will do the carpentry work, to those who will do the internal deco, and so on and so forth. Web development, 2 ways. Either you use what you see is what you get method, or you outsource it to the people who are involved in programming, and then they deliver it to you, and then you deliver it to those people that gave you the work. Web building, web development, very powerful way, and it's not going to go out of market anytime soon. Number 8, domain flipping business. A domain is nothing but a name that have been authorized, that maybe you have been authorized or empowered to use based on their unique DNS. DNS means domain name system, and such names are available all over the internet. You can buy them from domain name registrar. Domain flipping involves that you buy some domain names, reserve them, and resell them. As simple as ABC. You buy, you reserve, and you resell at a higher price. It involves a little risk and also involves some investment. Most of the time it's a side hustle because you are not sure of when you will be able to resell the domain you have bought. You can be lucky, buy a domain $10 and sell it $1,000, and you can be lucky, buy a domain and never see it to resell. But it's worth trying. Number 9, this is what I call direct info marketing. Direct info marketing. Direct info marketing is a business format that anyone can be involved in and make money. I've used it multiple times. The first time I used it was when I needed a quick cash of about $1,500, and all I did was I packaged some online information, put it together in a paid, physical paid seminar, rented a beautiful hotel, and asked people to pay $50 each. And at the end, I was able to get 30 people in attendance. 28 people dropped cash, 2 individuals dropped check. I ended up with $1,500, though I need about $300 out of the total income to offset the advert and the rentage of the hall. It's as simple as that. Direct information marketing. What does it involve? It involves you looking for information material that will solve the problems of your immediate or remote environment. For example, let's say that you find out that people in your country are always willing to migrate to Canada, and you've gotten 2, 3, 4, 5 people known to you who have migrated successfully. Or what you just need to do is to interview them, ask them the steps they took. I mean, ask 3 different people the steps they took, combine the 3 levels of information together, package them, and begin to offer the information as an information product to people who are willing to migrate and move from their home country to Canada. I'm telling you, if you do it well, you are going to be smiling to the bank. Now let me go to number 10, and that's where we are going to be stopping today in this particular episode of teaching on 52 ways to make money online. And this 10th one is called ghostwriting. What's ghostwriting? Ghostwriting simply means writing a book or a pamphlet or a mini book for someone else and giving them the right to market, the right to publish, the right to put their own name. You are going to give them the copyright. That's what is called ghostwriting. You are writing as a ghost. I mean, you can write 100 books and your name will not be in any. Nobody will even acknowledge that you are in the editorial team. That's what is called ghostwriting. I am into ghostwriting, funny enough, and I think I've written, without exaggeration, between 70 to 100 books. Some of them on behalf of myself, some of them for others who do not have the skill to write or the time to write, but they have the money to lay down. It is a very, very good way of making money, even though it's time consuming. It is also brain tasking, but it's a cool way of making quick money. All the skill you need for ghostwriting is embedded in article writing. What's a book? A book is a compilation of chapters. What's a chapter? A chapter may not be more than 2 articles combined together, or 1 article of 2,000 words. Because if you write 15 chapters of 2,000 words each, that's 30,000 words a book. And that's standard. And you'll be collecting between $150 to $250 on that. That is on the minimum. There are people that are ready to give you $500 for a 3,000 words book. Now, These are ways, the first 10 ways out of the 52 that I have compiled. These are the top 10 ways of making money online. If you are there and you are still listening to me, you can cash in into any one of these. But please, don't attempt all. You understand? Now, you just start with one, concentrate, and then you can move to the other. All you need to do, as I said earlier, in your quest to make money online, is that you must be ready to learn and continue learning, concentrate, and work. Learn, concentrate, and work. And for all of you that have successfully listened to me, I will see you on the top. Before I go, if you have any question, just go to the comment section and ask me. In case you don't want to ask the question publicly, my mail is down there in the comment section. Message me and I will make sure that you are adequately replied and effectively answered. Don't forget that making money online is possible and you can start today.